Hi, everyone. Welcome back to the Lingo Listen. I'm Emma, and I'm really happy you're here with us today.
Hey everyone, I'm Sam.
Let me ask you something. Do you feel scared when you speak English in real life?
Oh, yes, my heart beats fast.
Same here. Your mind knows the words, but your mouth stays quiet.
Exactly. I think too much.
Yes, thinking too much is the problem. Today, we fix that slowly.
Slowly is good.
Very slowly. Very simple. Real-life English.
Not textbook English.
Yes, real talk. Before we start, if you like learning like this, please like, subscribe, and share.
It helps you and helps us.
Okay, imagine this. You are outside, maybe in a shop.
Already nervous.
It's okay. You want to ask something.
But I don't know how.
Start simple. Hi, excuse me.
Excuse me.
Yes, it's polite.
Okay. Hi, excuse me.
Good. Then say, I need help.
That's easy.
Very easy.
But what if I feel shy?
Then smile and say slowly.
Smiling helps.
Yes, a lot. Now, next step. Do you have this?
I like the sentence.
It works everywhere. Shop, market, mall.
Exactly. What if I don't understand the answer?
Very important question. Say this. Sorry, can you repeat?
Sorry, can you repeat?
Perfect. Or, please speak slowly.
I need that one.
Everyone needs that.
True.
Now, small story. I was in a shop once.
Oh, what happened?
I wanted water. I forgot the word.
Oh no.
I said, I need a drink, cold, bottle? And the person said, water?
And that's funny.
Yes, but it worked.
So, broken English is okay.
Yes, very okay.
That makes me feel relaxed.
Good. Now, new situation. Meeting a new person.
Scary but important.
Yes. Start like this. Hi, my name is Sam.
Easy.
Then, nice to meet you.
Okay.
Then ask, where are you from?
Common question.
Yes.
And if I don't understand,
Say, I didn't catch that.
say again?
I didn't catch that.
Okay, got it.
Good. Now, emotions. You feel nervous.
Always.
Your hands shake.
Yes, and voice too.
That's normal.
Really?
Yes, everyone feels that.
Even you?
Yes, even me.
Oh, that helps.
Take a deep breath.
Hmm.
Speak slowly.
Slow is better.
Always. Now, restaurant.
Oh, my fear place.
Mine too. Start simple. Can I get?
Okay. Can I get tea?
Perfect. Or, I would like tea.
Sounds polite.
Yes.
What if they ask fast?
Say, sorry, slow, please.
Simple.
Simple works.
I like simple.
Good. Now, mistake moment. You say wrong sentence.
Happens daily.
Say, oops, I mean,
Oh, nice. Oops, I mean,
then fix it.
that feels natural.
Yes.
Not scary now.
Good. Now imagine phone call.
Oh, even harder.
Yes, but simple. Hello, this is Sam.
Okay,
Then, can you hear me?
important.
Very.
If not clear.
Say, bad connection.
Easy.
Or, speak louder, please.
Good one.
Yes,
I feel more confident now.
that's the goal. Step by step.
Small steps.
Big confidence.
I like that.
And now, imagine you're at work or school.
Okay.
Someone asks you a question.
Oh, pressure.
Yes, but don't panic. First, say, "Let me think."
Oh, that gives time.
Exactly.
Let me think.
Good. Then answer slowly.
No rush.
No rush. And if you don't know,
What do I say?
say, "I'm not sure."
Simple.
Or, "I don't know, but I can check."
Oh, that sounds good.
Yes, very natural.
I like that.
Good. Keep going. Now you're talking, little by little. You're not silent anymore.
I feel that change.
Yes, this is growth.
Slow but real.
Very real.
Emma, I want to ask something. Yes, tell me.
What if people judge me?
Good question. Some people might,
That scares me.
but listen, most people respect effort.
Effort?
Yes, when you try.
Even if I make mistakes?
Yes, even then.
That feels better.
Also, remember, you are learning,
True.
not performing.
Oh, I like that.
Learning, not performing.
That removes pressure.
Exactly. Now, let's practice a full mini conversation.
Okay, I'm ready.
You are in a shop. Start.
Hi, excuse me.
Good.
I need help.
Nice.
Do you have this?
Perfect. Now I answer fast. Yes, we have, but only small size left.
Oh, too fast. Sorry, can you repeat?
Good. Only small size left.
Okay, that's fine.
Excellent.
That feels real.
Yes, real practice.
I like this.
Now another one. Restaurant.
Okay, can I get tea?
Hot or cold?
Tea, please.
Perfect.
Easy, but before I was scared.
See? Progress.
Yes.
Now, final feeling. Confidence.
I feel it.
Not perfect, but better.
Yes, better.
And better is enough.
That's powerful.
So remember, speak slowly, use simple words, ask to repeat, and don't fear mistakes.
And practice daily.
Yes, every day.
Even small practice.
Small is big.
I like that.
And next time, try one real conversation.
Just one.
Yes, just one.
I will try.
That's all we need.
I feel proud.
You should.
Thank you.
Always here with you.
And we keep going.